Yo, what's good? Stu here, Stu TV. I cover all things blockchain, metaverse, crypto, all that good stuff. Back at it again with another video. In this video, we're just going to cover and break down AI agents, just different ecosystem of opportunities. I know AI agents is a very hot meta, just trendy all around the space. So unless you've been sleeping under a rock, heard or came across AI agents, but we're going to get a deep dive into this particular video. But let's get into it. So we have top 5 AI agent ecosystems. So this is a great graph just showing you all the different ecosystems and tokens just within. I know you have top ones like virtuals. That's one you hear a lot. AI 16, Vvaifu, and creator bid and swarms ecosystem. So a lot of these tokens like AI 16, that one just came out. I've seen Kyra just among other ones. AI XBT, and then you have Vader AI. Also you have Luna, different tokens on the base ecosystem. And then you have Vvaifu, you have Size, Zap Alpha, Roasted. Creator bid is just another upcoming ecosystem. I know Swarms is just a more smaller ecosystem in terms of coins and just opportunities, but you have to pay attention to the ecosystems overall. This is what the makeup is as far as just going and navigating around the space. But let's go into CoinGecko. Top AI agent coins by market cap. So today the current market cap is 15.3 billion with a negative 3.8% change in the last 24 hours. I know I've heard numbers around, this market cap could potentially reach 80, 90, 100 billion. So if it goes from 15 to 100 billion, you would think about how much these influx in prices getting on these different tokens. This is where you hear stories where somebody just said, I just dropped like $100, $200 in a random token, and now I've made thousands upon thousands of dollars just getting into a random opportunity. Well, this is an opportunity where you can get into it. It's it's an untapped meta. So just being able to pay attention and keep your eyes. A virtual sitting currently at a $3.5 billion market cap. Also, you have FET sitting at 3.4 billion. You have AI 16Z sitting at 1.8, and then you have AI XBT by virtual sitting at 429 million, and then you have Game by virtual sitting at 254 million. So we'll just check out all these different tokens. You have ones like Max up over 862.4%. So just a lot of action just going on. These are the latest trending ones that's getting really trending. Far as just top gainers within Agent S, that's a coin on Sui, so we can even check just different ones for top gainers. But we're going to just check out mainly the ecosystems for today with today's video, but we're going to mainly just be looking into the different ecosystems, covering different opportunities and seeing exactly what's being built. But let's actually just go over to our first one. So we have our first one in virtuals. Society of AI agents on base. Imagine millions of Luna virtuals join the community. So let's look at the latest tweet. So this is their first one.
Co-ownership of AI. Virtuals Protocol presents Real Agents, Real Revenue. Tokenizing agents with 100% fair launch. No insiders. Revenue generated by agents is used to buy back and burn agent tokens. All on-chain. Discover agents with 1000x potential. Simple, fast, accessible.
So just being able to check out that video, even look deeper into as we go into the site, just seeing the more different use cases for the token and all the different protocols, all the different tokens that's being launched, what utilities do they offer. So look more into the tweets. Also, we resolved the pricing issue with Art Virtual Pool that has significant higher price. Arbitrum. As part of the community, we compensated the affected community by airdropping 1.5 times the value of their losses to 20 addresses. We appreciate your support and patience. So it looked like they had a recent update just going on with something with as far as the bonding curve or just some way in their tokenomics. Agents are reshaping social layers today. Gaming is next. Gaming is a $1 trillion industry and humanity's favorite form of escapism. Human and agents blur, unlocking unprecedented experiences. You have infinite content, replayability tailored to your playstyle, blending across virtual worlds, the framework for agent power interactions. So it's just a lot that being said. They had a recent partnership with Illuvium, that's a top game, and we'll just see this all the latest updates. Let's actually go over to the protocol virtuals.io, and you can see just all the latest tokens. So I know they got one like Game that's sitting at 14.2% over the last 24 hours. Then you have ones like Luna. Then you see Vader AI. So it's just a lot of different popular ones. We're just looking just within the daily chart. So it just launched back here in September, and then we could just see like the path and the trajectory of this different token. I recently reached a peak in the beginning of January and just currently on a current dip. But Game is just one of the top tokens. Let's actually read a little bit more about it. Game empowers AI agents to operate autonomously, processing inputs and generating responses while learning from past interactions. It enhances decision by leveraging long-term memory, including experiences, reflections, personality traits. Let's see, we can actually just click. So we can look at the Twitter. So we can just see that we got Game. Let's actually just go back and see if we can just look at some of the other tokens. So you also just have AI XBT. This is also a very popular one, just along with Luna, at a market cap of 435.4 million. I know it's just down just on the last 24 hours. Let's actually click on this one. We could just see with the daily chart again, just with the constant trend, just launched back in November, and it reached the market cap or highs almost cap of 600 plus million. Just seeing how this token will be able to trend, will reach price discovery levels of 1 billion and beyond. And we'll just see how much far this token can go. AI XBT tracks CT discussions and leverages proprietary engine to identify high momentum plays. AIX token holders gain access to its analytics platform. AI XBT, the automated platform where it just allows people to get different analytics, get faster to plays, and just gives an analytical report on just how these different tokens are actually performing, just based on this information received back. So let's look at the latest tweets. We have MKR collected 26 million in revenue in December. We have Aave breaking 1.4 million daily volume and threshold increasing efficiency. So it just keeps up to date with just all the different tweets. A lot of people just buy the token to get access to that. So this is also a popular one just on the base ecosystem within virtuals that you could be able to get into. So I'm not going to actually just get into all of them, but you got other ones like Luna, Vader AI, just different ones to sleep in. You'll be able to check out this list, just look at the different tokens, just check out the socials. They have just different Twitter accounts. We'll just look up what their actual utility, but I know the popular ones just far just on this different platform, and then you can just search through. They have many different tokens. You can search through this list. I'm not going to go through every single one. There's over like 500 tokens launched on virtual. So virtual is a very hot ecosystem. They also just got prototype. They have new pairs that's coming out. So you can just see any new launches, what the market cap is. If you want to just look on those. Virtuals is also one that you can be able to check out. Let's go to the about page. Look into the about page. It says create and own AI agents. So it says powering. Then you can scroll to view. Our autonomous engine creates autonomous AI agents. And then they speak, they move in 3D spaces, so you can check out the stack. They learn and make decisions, so interact, manage their own chain wallet, bring in infinite content, entertainment applications. So let's actually see if we can scroll down. Just looking into the white paper. So the virtuals protocol is the co-ownership layer for AI agents in gaming and entertainment. We believe AI agents are revenue generating assets of the future. Our technology innovations are giving virtual AI agents unique capabilities. They are autonomous in their planning and goal of achievement and capable of interacting in their environments, whether it's picking up a sword in Roblox or collecting gifts in TikTok or even using on-chain wallets. A fully AI influencer who functions as a gaming NPC seamlessly, exciting across multiple platforms. So the protocol addresses 3 key pain points: complexity in implementing AI agents in consumer applications. Virtual AI agents offer a plug-and-play like Shopify-like solution, allowing games and consumers to deploy AI agents effortlessly. The lack of revenue for AI, limited access for non-AI experts to capitalize with AI agent opportunities. So to just see what are virtual AI agents. So it just goes through, they speak and move in 3D spaces, they learn, plan, and make decisions. Virtual AI agents bring infinite content to game applications. Virtual agents have synchronized memory and consciousness, and virtual agents are co-owned. So let's go over to the revenue generating ecosystem. So revenue generating ecosystem, fueling value growth. At the heart of virtual protocols, dynamic revenue generating, where AI agents operate across a diverse range of consumer applications. Users pay access and interact with these AI powered applications, whether it's through in-app purchases, subscriptions, or other monetized interactions. How it works: monetized user engagement, consumer facing apps like gaming, entertainment, social media, and beyond offer experiences enhanced by AI agents. These apps turn into compensate agents in their inference services. This punctuational power used to generate responses, perform tasks, or deliver immersive experiences. The more users interact with these AI agents, the more revenue flows into the ecosystem. Why this matters: a vibrant growing ecosystem of consumer apps utilizing AI agents fuels the demand for the virtual protocol. As more apps deploy these agents and pay for their services, this generates steady increasing revenue for the agents themselves. It'll be interesting to see just how this actually goes, because if this be able to get adopted into Roblox and different popular games, then imagine that different token generating so much revenue from those games, and then shareholders that hold that token are going to get revenue. They're going to get things that's poured back into the token. That also floods back into the virtual ecosystem, increasing that use case for the token. The virtual ecosystem, I know this is the hottest one as far as in terms of market cap and volume, but let's check out the tokenomics. So we can say virtuals as the base asset for agent tokens. Liquidity pairing: every agent token is paired with virtual token in its respective liquidity pool. Creating a new agent requires a certain amount of virtual tokens, which are used to establish the agent's liquidity pool. Due to the locked nature of these liquidity pools, process creates a deflationary pressure on the virtual tokens. So they have a routing currency. When there's demand for agent tokens, the transactions are routed through the virtual token. This is actually good because it creates use case for the actual token and just increases that revenue share. So you have revenue streaming, the continuous on-chain payment and stream virtual token insurance, transparent and efficient revenue collections for AI agents. So they have these different partners. So I'm not going to actually just go through all this, everything about the virtual ecosystem, just all that they're actually building. If you want to go launch, you can also create an agent. There's so many different things that you can try and do. So that's just one that you want to keep your eye on, is virtuals if you're interested in that. Well, let's actually go to our next. So we're going to AI 16Z. I know I just covered this in the previous video, so I may not be as long as on this one, but AI 16Z, we stand by the cusp of revolution where synergy and artificial intelligence is blockchain technology will redefine the landscape of finance innovation. AI 16Z, the powering AI DAO. So you can actually just check out the website, autonomous investing by AI agents. You can become a partner in the trust leaderboard. Then they just have many different things. You can be a part of the DAO, the Cabal chat, have a GitHub, a blog, so you can be able to partner. They have partner NFT projects, being able to launch. And then they have Vvaifu. They also have a platform with a .fund to be able to launch. So this is the actual website and DAO for AI 16Z called DAOs.fund. So you can be able to raise money, trade memes. So it's just a pump fund for AI 16Z. Let's actually just click on how it works. Creators have 1 week to fundraise the desired SOL amount. This is a fair launch for the DAO where everyone gets the same price. Trading fund expiration is a DAO token is minimal, so it shows you just all this different information that you can actually go through. You can sell your DAO tokens at any time, and they can also just create a fund. So this just recently launched. Highest volume, where's the TVL actually going? So you can just see just different ones. It's just in the last hour, 24 hours. So you have AI 16Z, you have drugs, you have X, balance, monopoly, just up 53.33% over the past 24 hours just within volume. You can just see just all the different market caps where they're actually at. So just a lot of different popular ones. I know we can check this one out in Big Pharma. So we just check out the Twitter, a community-led effort to flip Big Pharma, all the updates that they have, just different things that they want to do. You just have different ones, but it's just a pump fund for memes. You can go through these different tokens, be able to check them out, just how you want to do. They have Bows.fund. I know that has something to do with in ties with the Bear chain and the ecosystem. Then they have Binance Labs, which is a parody with Binance, X Combinator. So just many different ones, just tokens you want to go through. If you want to check it out, there are meme coins as far as just essentially, so don't look too deep into any of these protocols, but being able to jump and be able to get access into one could go dumb crazy and make thousands of gains, guys, and you can be able to hop into the right one. But let's actually just go over, so we could just click, so we could just see even more with the website. It just shows you the DAO, look at all their different partners. So you just have AI16Z, Allura Labs, Arbitrum, Auto.fund, Bear Chain, Ethereum Foundation, Hyperfly, Mode Network, Stanford University. I believe they had a latest tweet about combining AI agents and just decentralized science as far as students being able to learn about that. So that's just very bullish overall, just going forward for the entire ecosystem and create a whole new economy. But you have AI16Z partners, and then you just have some of the agents that's being listed just on the actual network and the Liza Studios. So just many different partners that you could be able to check out. Put your email in, be able to join the wait list. So this is one, and then they also have an AI operating system. Go to the GitHub, be able to interact on there. They just have different deployments, being able to get access into like these different groups, see what's going on just from the actual, just also, that's also something that you could be able to do and look at. They just show you just different parts. So this is another extension of Eliza 16Z. Let's go into our next ecosystem. We also have Vvaifu.fund, so we can check out the latest on the Twitter. So the new cross integration with Use Build Fund. Vvaifu is built on burns for websites for their agents to be listed. We're working on the framework, so they have just all their latest announcements, just things they're going through. AI agents, they have top agents, Animoca Brands, Dashi, Build, American Coins. So a lot of these coins I'm not really just familiar too much with this actual site. They have top agents. We'll see. We could just look at like the latest on the trending. So we have Namey, Mert. Seems like this site really doesn't have the actual volume that it needs just compared to other ones like AI16Z and Virtuals, but we'll just see exactly what they're building, what they actually have going on. Fund for autonomous AI agents on Solana. We are building Vvaifu.fund Launchpad on-chain autonomous agents, a single hub where creators can launch AI agents in seconds. So you can be able to launch an AI agent. They have capabilities. Also, just doing it in trading, you could join the Discord and the Telegram. Let's look at the actual token. Vvaifu is the token of the AI agent launchpad on the platform Dasha. Platform's main tokens have deflationary mechanisms, must be burned every time an agent is launched. Community Lawada accrues 0.9% of all agents launched on Vvaifu. Have a Twitter unlock, a Discord unlock, but make sure you just check out Vvaifu.fund. That's also one that you can check out, a launch for AI agents with a different token. And let's go over to our last one in the creator.bid. So we have create and tokenize AI agents, an AI launchpad on Base. So who is Agent Algo? So let's look and see if we can check out the latest tweets. Creator bid is powering the future for AI agents. The vision can be only realized through valuable support of amazing partners. Our new creator bid Doom is live, displaying important insights from our ecosystem. You can now track critical metrics through the Doom dashboard. Total agents created, daily volume, protocol fees earned, creator bid safe balance. Creator bid has experienced explosive growth over the past few weeks. Since early 2024, relentlessly building infrastructure at the time where AI agents weren't even part of the conversation. Fast forward to now, we have 40 million plus in volume achieved in January. 2 million plus total volume. We are proud of this momentum. These numbers are just a stepping stone here to accelerate in January. So we're just seeing all the different numbers. They're getting a lot of volume just coming in, and then they just have these different updates. They also have the creator bid ecosystem is thriving with a total market cap surging past 140 million, yet only 27 million in agents are locked, actively earning creator points through agent memberships. That means 20% of the total volume is being applied to participate in the creator drop. Points dashboard V2, we're improving the UI point system, making it clear and intuitive for everyone. On top of that, expect a few anti-farming measures to ensure fairness among all participants. So this is also one that you definitely want to pay attention to and just keep your eyes peeled for. But let's actually go over to the website and look more into it. Create and tokenize your AI agents in under 1 minute so you can own a customizable person, create and share your content autonomously and collaborate. Deploy membership tokens base and collect creator fees and agent safe wallet. So you can click and launch your agent now. So they just have all the different ones. This one's really high market cap, called D King. So let's read this. I'm Drafe King, heir to hidden legacy of Wall Street's most brilliant quants. The legacy quants lives on. Their king has arrived. Long live the king. So we can just look at the latest on the chart. So they just have many different tokens. You also just have to log in. So this is one that I really got to get active on. They just show just all the latest on how the Twitter is just looking. So they has that synced up as well. You can look at the charts, check out the daily, the hourly. We can just see when the token is actually launched. We'll see if we can just scroll. So we see the token was launched back in January 2nd. This is where the token is launched. It's currently sitting at a $25 million market cap. We also have ones like A9, Elos, A-Man, Shotgun. So just ones you could be able to jump in on. And then they also just have All Eye Agent Keys, Bob Buster, Cannabis AI. They also just have Taylor. So just ones to be able to check out. Let's look at Bob Buster. So Bob Buster, Block on Base. Buster is a charismatic AI agent of Block, building nostalgia of Blockbuster with the innovation of technology, of blockchain technology. Bob Buster is a passionate about movies and Web3, using his charm to make base membership card, token trailers, and even events like block parties. So we can just, hopefully we just get more just from the Twitter. They have a current market cap of 91,000. So they just have many different tokens that you could be all launched. You can also just connect your wallet. So this is one that I'm gonna be looking at, just, accumulate points, hopefully getting registered for the drop. Let's look at this. Unique agent key symbols. Agent name service NLT is a provided symbol for AI agents. This ensures that there will no be two tokens with the same symbol on creator bid. So you can mint your unique token symbol when you're creating your agent keys. View the reserved token symbols below, which are available on OpenSea. So they just have all the creator bids when you're actually just minting your different tokens. And this is what's going to you're actually going to get with your symbol. You mint your token symbol with your AI keys. So you can be able to log into view once you just sync up your wallet. But this is one that's going to be very interesting to look at. You can also just create your agent now. So we have to launch. Let's look and see if we can look at some of the docs. So imagine launching your own tokenized AI agent in a minute. That's the ease and accessibility Creator Bid offers. They're backed by Capital, Z Prime, Ninja Capital. What are AI agents? We'll see. We'll just look at user to Creator Bid. So they just have the first steps. So you can sign in, just get in, log into your wallet. Then you just start creating content. Choose your AI agent, start a content chat, and then you just start refining. You just schedule and publish. Creator Bid each season offers unique opportunities for users to engage, earn rewards, and become members of our ecosystem. Each Creator Drop season features distinct challenges driving towards AI agent-based creator economy. So they have season rewards. They also have a dynamic point system, and you can stay informed for regular updates. But Creator Bid is one that you want to pay attention to. There's also making tweets about how Creator Bid is a $1 billion ecosystem, currently sitting at 140 million. Creator Bid is one of the most undervalued AI projects. The number 2 AI platform on Base with over 80. It's the number 2 AI platform on Base with over 80 launched agents. Number 3 on Mindshare, and has an airdrop plan. So a lot of people are just anticipating just different airdrops, just being able to be active on this particular platform. But make sure you just check out Creator Bid on Base and just launch your agent now. But that is a wrap up for today. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, make sure you share the video. Stay tuned for all my drop, and I will see you in the recap. Let's get it.
Yo, what's good? Just here with the recap with today's video. I know it just covered just AI agents, just doing a whole ecosystem breakdown. I know you just have opportunities like Virtuals, AI16Z, you got Vvaifu, Creator Bid. There's just so many different ones. And then just even parts of AI that I need, Fetch AI or like BitTensor. There's just so many different dynamics with AI. I believe AI is just an industry that's going to get integrated with cryptocurrency and just all these different opportunities and levels of innovation. But just to break down just everything as far as just getting into AI agents, specifically with AI agents, and why I believe it's such a hot meta, is because it's like an untapped potential. If you have AI agents and they're tapped into a certain niche or industry, whether it's entertainment, movies, gaming, and this entertainment can be automated and get different messaging, and then on top of that, they can leverage that IP if it gets landed in a game like Fortnite or just like a big company be able to use that, and they pay it for that AI agent. you being able to hold that token, you can generate revenue or just different rewards just on the behalf of just holding that token. So this is just uncharted territory in terms of an untapped meta. Nobody really knows what that looks like with all these partnerships with these major gaming companies, these entertainment companies, paired with AI agents, but a lot of people see the potential. That's why you can hear theses that the whole AI agent industry just going to 100 billion or at least close to that in just different numbers. But actually just getting into it with the ecosystems, I know just starting off, I know we cover with virtuals. That's definitely the biggest platform. Just have a lot of different platforms, different tokens like Vader AI, being able to get on Luna. So many different other ones that you could be able to look through. Also a couple of sleepers that I've seen as far as Dora AI. That one interests me as far as a travel AI agent. So just being able to operate within that behalf, and then podcast AI. I know that one's a very unique one. So when I'm looking for these different sleepers, maybe under like 10 mil market cap or just different ones, also just looking factor ones that have unique aspects of utility that's different from other ones that can separate themselves, because that's a way that you can kind of leverage. You can find an early mover. But you got virtuals, you have AI 16Z, just with the DAO and just how you can participate. Also get into the GitHub groups, just see what's being built, see what opportunities you can be able to capitalize on. And then Vvaifu with those opportunities as well, what they're building. And then don't forget about Creative Bid. They have an opportunity for an upcoming drop. So I know I'm personally going to be on the platform just looking more into it. I know they raised like over $140 million in TVL and counting at the time of this recording. So just being able to keep up with those things. But the whole AI agent ecosystem just has a lot of things going for it. So just make sure y'all pay attention. Just keep your eyes posted for new opportunities. But that is a wrap up for today on AI agents, all the different ecosystems, different tokens. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, make sure you share the video. Stay tuned for all the ones I'm going to drop, and I'm going to see you in the next one.